It is 8:47 and I am at Shau Kei Wan McDonald's and I'm gonna have these free pancakes. And I'm back at exit A of Shau Kei Wan MTR station. And the bus terminus is at exit A3. And we're gonna take bus 9 to Shau. The bus fare is $9.4 and we're gonna get off at To Tei Wan Dragon's Back bus stop. Hi, I'm Cozy.
好耐冇見，係啦，成個
I'm gonna buy thinking at the start of the trail. There's not much to see until we get to this spot. 對面係柏架山啊，
柏架山咯，兩個波嗰度嘛，係咯，
然後下面係嗰個堤壩。
果然係香港女啊！
繼續行。
而家咧，
呢啲
佢就
叫寄
依啲黐得
生
唔好啦。
菌，唔可能去郊遊地點，我哋要跟住龍脊行45分鐘。
我知
呢啲叫青香藤、念珠藤、芒萁，呢啲叫做
哇，全部貼晒啲嘢嘅。
係咯。There's a green platform there. We've already been there before. If you want to see the view, then I'll leave a link to it down below. For now, we'll keep following Hong Kong Trail. So there's a crossway here. We're gonna keep going up to Hong Kong Trail. Dragon's Back. 我哋咪喺大潭
我哋可以上去嗰個大石坡嗰度玩嘅。
佢哋去晒嗰邊咯。
有啦，大石坡嘅影相好靚啊！
我上過去呢。
我上過好多次啦。
石澳對出嗰度係
叫咩話？
土地灣。
哦，呢度唔係土地灣咩？我有直升機啊！我哋而家上去打爛埕頂啊！呢個就係 H086啦，仲有14個啊，係咪啊？
係啊，100嘛去到。
對面係石澳高爾夫球場。We can see opposite us is the landfill, and we're almost at Dragon's Back. I remember last time I came, this part was still broken from the black rain. And at H087, there's a little sailing platform over here, which also shows you the landfill. And yeah, so we're gonna keep going up to Dragon's Back. And at H087, there's a little sailing which also shows you the landfill. And yeah, so we're gonna keep going up to Dragon's Back. When you have reached this crossway, it says go back to To Tei Wan. That left side is Tai Tam Gap. You have reached Dragon's Back. 香港嘅龍脊之所以得名，係因為呢一段山脊高低嘅起伏嘅形態呢，係有啲遠庭曲式嘅形態，而且非常似一條神龍嘅脊骨，尤其喺石澳一帶。山路係喺打爛埕頂山同埋雲鎮山之間。龍脊其實係位於香港島東南部，連接石澳同埋大潭，係一個熱門嘅遠足路徑。係啦，咁所以呢，啲人喺度行嘅時候呢， 就會覺得自己好似喺龍嘅背脊上面行進啦。咁如果你今日都學到一啲新嘅知識呢，就記得 like、subscribe 同埋 share 我條片俾你啲朋友睇啦，等佢哋都知道點解龍脊有呢一個名啦。Alright, after flying my drone here, keep going to Hong Kong trip. This is the Dragon's Back viewing platform. It's literally the same view as just now. I'm gonna go back up now. 但係點解呢個先係龍脊觀景台？頭先嗰個唔係。我哋行過晒啦，有龜山、馬香山、鶴咀山都行過啦。
有自己嗰啲山想行㗎。
係啊，呢個都係其中一個。
你行過咩？
唔係因為我要打卡啊。
過咗咯。
未啊 H094，下個禮拜之後你就見唔到我㗎啦。
大家利是。
唔係。我就唔會嚟。
你冇目的你都唔嚟，你咪喺度孭住我哋係嘛？
係 H088，佢冇得唔信我行過嗰個炎黃壁喎，因為我已經錄咗影嘅，我可以俾翻佢睇。
就係咯。
我諗住1月4號行中九牙同埋九華嶺啊。
九牙嶺係幾個隻夾埋晒叫做九牙嶺。
唔係，但係我要去到嗰個打卡位嘅。
九牙咧個斜坡冇咁高嘅，冇咁大嘅。
我哋落去大浪灣。哇！呢個係點樣飛法啊？
你睇唔睇到嗰啲
paraglide 啊？
滑翔機？
呢度有得玩㗎咩 ？Yes, you can, but I wouldn't recommend you to paraglide because someone died from paragliding. 直區係去嗰個咩？呢度直區就係去雲錦山，呢度就係 H089。我哋會轉咗，我哋去到土地灣同埋大潭峽的。我點解跟大潭峽？仲有1小時。Yeah, we're at H090 and we have 10 more checkpoints to go to. There's not much to see here though. 唔經唔覺又去到 H091 啦。H092. Keep going. There are some red leaves here. This is underneath H094. 有個廁所喎呢度。Yay! We have come out to the car road. Wow! This is the Mount Collinson Catch Water sampling tap. Alright, let's keep going down. Yeah, this over here is checkpoint number 8. Alright, so at checkpoint number 8, the toilet is at the Tai Tam Gap. 佢哋行咗啦。
佢行咗啦。
係啊，係咪有廁所啊？我去一去先。After going to the toilet, we'll go to Big Wave Bay. 1 more hour to go. Now we're at H095. And there's a little pavilion here. And the uncle said we can have some snacks here. after flying my drone. It's time to eat an orange. Yeah, we're now at H096. 頭先佢哋係咪喺呢度食啊？
應該仲喺度啊，Uncle 攞。
專登等你。After that distance post, there's 45 minutes left till we reach Big Wave Bay. We will walk past the Mount Collinson Catch Water. 即係你話以前要用水樽換呢啲麥芽糖，行過呢度啦。
你又行過啊？
係啊。就到大浪灣啦！
成條龍額度咧都係水嚟嘅。
Yeah, H098. 2 more to go and we're done. We are now walking along this water channel. H099, second last one of Hong Kong trip. And we have reached the very end of the water channel. The water channel starts again. So that was not the very end. Someone put this toy here. After the water channel, we are here with these concrete stairs. Yeah, we made it to H100. 喺 H100 影完相之後呢，繼續落大浪灣啦。好耐冇嚟過呢度啦。Alright, today is election day, so there are lots of banners here asking people to vote. Keep going up. 唔係喺大浪灣沙灘係嘛？應該轉右係嘛？你肯定？呢度係去沙灘嘅喎，最終都係出返去呢個大浪灣村。小巴冇去咩？1.30㗎。呢程車費同上次土地灣返筲箕灣係一樣。我哋今日行咗3個鐘頭26分鐘。
哇！仲想點啊？
啲人開始玩滑翔傘。Well, it's at this very good, joyful day. 記得講錄我哋嘅日子。
靚啲㗎。
哦。但係嗰邊你見到嗰啲咩周年嗰啲咩人，每一年咧，而家年。Finally finished our lunch. It's 3 o'clock. There's another fire going on here. Oh my gosh! Why is there fire again? Oh.